Hey guys, so what we have in front of you is something a little different than the usual. As you can see, we have a very large box with OTK stickers all over it. So yeah, inside this box is a brand new 2022 OTK Red Speed. Yeah, this is really exciting for me because it's my first time ever owning a brand new kart. I started in I can't even remember if it was an early 2000s or a late 90s kart for my Burrell, and then I went on to a newer CRG. But then my last kart, as you guys probably know, was a 2017 Cosmic. So this is a big jump for me, and I'm really excited. So yeah, we were able to get a good deal with our good friends over at WRS Racing, and we were able to pick up this brand new kart yesterday. So what we're gonna do for you guys today is a little unboxing, just so for people that aren't really used to seeing what comes in the box and they just kind of get the kart ready. It's kind of cool to see what's inside, and personally I don't even know what's inside of this, so let's see what little things we get. Well, to no surprise, it is just a kart. But no, I mean, it's kind of cool to see it like all in like its individual parts when they're brand new too. So to me, this is kind of cool. And of course, we have a bunch of other miscellaneous little things that we bought along with the purchase. So there's some things in here that wouldn't be included in your normal purchase. But so now we're gonna get to taking out each part individually, and we're gonna set it up. We're gonna remove the box for you guys. We're gonna set the kart up on the stand, and probably put some things on the ground and give you guys a better view of what actually comes along with it. So let's start right here. So first, this is just your basic OTK wheels, your MXJs. These are just your basic wheels. We'll go a little bit more detail about these later, but yeah, these are our wheels. And as you can see here, we got our new updated side pods. These are slimmer than the old previous models. So the kart comes with obviously two of these. Alright, and then more plastic. This is the front, I think it's called the front ferrule, I forgot. It's just the front nose, the trademark of OTK at the moment. And let's just get all the plastic out of the way. Actually, we'll get, okay, obviously we got the fiberglass seat, OTK seat, which you do have to order in your specific size when you go to purchase one. So more plastic, your rear bumper here. Oh, I want to get everything on this side first. I'm not too sure if these are coming with the OTKs now. Coincidentally, it did come, but the person that we bought it from, they did order one in. These are your brake cooling ducts. So, and it's interesting to know a little bit more later if these are coming standard now or not, but either way, I definitely recommend those, especially in the summertime. Let's get this box. I believe that this box, so this box here, I believe is your, I don't want to drop it. Okay, yeah. So this box includes things such as your seat brace, like to connect the seat to the chassis, to stiffen up the chassis. Your steering column, your brackets for the front nose, and as well as you got your rear hubs. You got your exhaust mount, you got steering column, like the steering control arms, engine mount, which is actually pretty interesting. I didn't know engine mounts come standard with the kart. More steering components, a bunch of miscellaneous bolts, more bolts. You got your accelerator cable in here. Yeah, just your miscellaneous like little bits that make up the kart. Again, we'll set them down on the ground to let you guys get a better aerial view of it later. This is your chain guard protector, which is intended to actually cut. You mock it up and then you cut to size. So these are required, so it's good that it comes. Obviously, the coolest part of the kart everyone likes is the sticker kit. More of the sticker kit. More This is your the crash side bumpers. This is to actually mount them up to the cart. So 2 of those. Okay, and then this is what connects to the front nose for your numbers. It actually creates that tunnel effect. Oh, your gas tank sticker kit. Oh, that's really tiny. I didn't know they were that tiny. But more stickers. I think personally my favorite part, especially with this new generation of Tony Karts, is the steering wheel. I'm really glad that this one came with the red rubber grip, because when I saw the black front nose, I was worried it was going to come like the newest Sprint carts where they come in black. So I was like, oh, nah, I think this looks gorgeous. Got your Red Speed. Tony Karts. Wow, that is actually really cool. Wow. Yep. Steering wheel. I really don't even want to put it on the floor because I don't want to get that white dirty yet. So, right there on top of the box. And more miscellaneous bolts. I think this is for the steering column. Let's work our way around, and then after that we should be able to just remove this box, get the cart on the stand, and we'll get a quick little 360 around, better view of the cart. This is your front bumper. I believe they updated this one a little bit too. I think it's more curvy or something, I don't know. Read something about that. Of course, when I say updating, I'm basing off of my model and the 21, like my brother's model. So your gas tank, kind of like the black. I wish it was red though. Front bumper brackets. It's already with the new pushback system, which whatever. I don't like that, but you gotta do. And I mean, okay, the last thing in the box. Actually, not the last thing. So let me get the last thing that you would probably get, but I don't even know what this is. Ah, more miscellaneous bolts. I believe this, yeah, for rear bumper support. Okay, cool. So, and really the only last thing other than the cart itself that's in the box, you probably wouldn't get unless you were to order separately. This was just placed in, is our new axle. So the cart does come with an N axle from factory, but we prefer to run a different stiffness of axle. So whatever you prefer to run, make sure whenever you buy a new cart, obviously most of you probably know this, unless you already have it, buy a new separate axle, because I'm pretty sure you can't order from factory with the axle already. So it'll come standard with the type N, I believe that's what it is. So now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna get the cart out of the box, get the box outside, and then we'll get a quick 360 view of the cart better. Okay, well, as you can see, we finally got it out of the box. That box was kind of a pain to get out of here, but whatever, we got it out. So yeah, this is the cart, and I can tell you, just removing it out of the box, it's even brighter. I don't think the camera does the color justice, because personally, whenever I look at the pictures of this cart, I didn't really like the color too much, but I can tell you in person, under the lighting, it's beautiful. Like, I really like it, because I was personally a huge fan of Cosmic, so it was kind of hard to get over the purple. But no, I think this is a really cool one, especially a combination with the red steering wheel. The tray is absolutely gorgeous too, but of course it doesn't really matter how the thing looks as long as it performs well. So that I'm excited to find out, and yeah, I'm just itching to get this thing on the track. Tomorrow we're gonna get the seat done, and so with that being said, we're gonna have another video after this video of actually putting the cart together. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. Either if we're gonna do a time lapse of the build like we did on the FK a while back, or if we're gonna do a step-by-step kind of like help you guys out there just starting in karting of putting a cart together. So we'll decide, but either way, we're gonna have a video separate from this one of putting this cart together, and then another video of testing it on the track and potentially practicing up with some other guys at the track that have gotten this cart as well. So we're excited to bring those out for you guys, and I'm just excited to get not only finish out the season in this, but also start the next season in a brand new cart. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos as well. It really helps us out, guys. Thanks.